Today we're going to be practicing your speaking and your conversational skills by having a conversation. So how do we do it? So I prepared a dialogue, and the line that's going to be highlighted in red is for me and the one in orange is for you. So I'm going to say my line and you're going to read your line out loud, and that is going to be your response. Today we're going to practice how to make a doctor's appointment over the phone. So I will be the doctor's assistant and you will be the patient calling in for an appointment. Now, if you're ready, let's begin. Good morning, Dr. Ashton's office. This is Lois. How may I help you? Okay, have you been in to see Dr. Ashton before? All right, may I have your name, please? Thank you, Mr. Smith. Let me just pull up your information. Okay, I have your information. May I ask the reason for your making an appointment? Oh, do you need urgent care? Hmm. Okay, so I'm looking at the doctor's schedule, and the earliest that I can get you is on Tuesday at 10 a.m. Would that work for you? Let me check. We have a 3 o'clock slot on Thursday. Would you like to come in then? All right, I'll pencil you in for 3 o'clock on Thursday. No problem. Is there anything else I can help you with? All right then, we'll see you on Thursday at 3 p.m. You too. Bye. Okay, so that was the end of the dialogue. Now let's take a look at some key phrases and vocabularies that were found in the dialogue. The first one is make an appointment. When you make an appointment, you schedule a time to see the doctor at the clinic. And you can also say schedule an appointment. For example, I'd like to schedule an appointment to see Dr. Ashton, please. Or, I'd like to schedule an appointment for a checkup, please. You can also use this expression if you want to make an appointment for the hairdresser, dentist, lawyer, and others.
Can we schedule an appointment for him to come in tomorrow?
Okay, now the next word is doctor. Doctor. Okay, so I know this is a very simple word, but I want to go over a couple of details here with this word. And there are some synonyms with doctor, so they're also known as physicians, clinicians, and they are very important in the healthcare team.
Consider this a professional appeal from one clinician to another.
Now, doctor here is a noun, but if I ask you, is a doctor a common or a proper noun? Should it be capitalized or not? Let's take a look at this sentence. I'd like to see the doctor. Should this word be capitalized or no? No. This in this sentence is a common noun, so therefore it should be in the lower case. But let's take a look at the second sentence. I'd like to see Dr. Ashton. So Dr. Ashton. So should this be capitalized or no? So here, yes, Dr. Ashton here is a proper noun. So if you remember the rules for proper noun, they should always be in a capital letter. In addition, doctor as a proper noun is also commonly abbreviated as Dr. period. So Dr. Ashton. Next, I had a physical. Physical is the physical examination. Other ways to say this is PE, or it's an abbreviation for physical examination. You can also say physical exam or annual check. So this is a yearly checkup to see if the patient is physically healthy.
In a related item, President Shepard was in Maryland this week for his routine physical exam.
The next word is to pull up a file. That means to find the patient's data or information. To pull up information. In a customer service setting, For example, you may call in to talk about a certain problem that you're having with internet, for instance, and you need assistance. So you may provide your information by providing the customer service representative your first and your last name. So the customer service representative can pull up your existing account. Urgent care or emergency care. So this is care that requires a person to be checked by a physician as soon as possible to prevent the existing condition from worsening. Next, slot. A slot is an available time to make an appointment. For example, is there an available slot for me tomorrow? Next, to pencil someone in. That means to schedule an appointment.
You might want to pencil in a little FaceTime with your daughter.
Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's video and thank you so much for joining me here today to learn some English. And don't forget to connect with me on all my other social media accounts. I have my Instagram and my private Facebook group. And that is it for today, and I'll see you in the next one.